Hiya, welcome to Tanio TV. I'm Alice and today we are making easy autumn wreaths.
To make the wreath, you will need a selection of branches. I've used a mixture of willow, hedgerow and hazel. You will also need string and scissors. I am also using smaller branches in bright colours, red maple leaves and pine cones, but you can add whatever you want. The branch needs to bend without snapping and should be at least the length of your arm. First, take the branch and bend it gently into a circular shape, making a hoop. Then, take another branch in and out like this to make the hoop stronger and more secure. Then, take another, looping it around. Keep adding branches until you get something that looks like this. Next, take a long piece of string, as long as your arm, and tie it to your hoop, making sure the knot is nice and tight. Using the string, you can start to add what you have collected for your wreath like this. Threading in and out of the hoop, securing your leaves and branches as you go. You can do this however you like, doing a full wreath or half, as I have done here. If you want to add pine cones, take another piece of string and wrap it round the bottom of the cone before you add it to your hoop. Finally, add a piece of string so you can hang it wherever you like.